In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Product Catalog in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. The Product Catalog lets you store all your items and services in one place so you can add them to deals quickly, keep pricing consistent, and streamline quotes. Once it's on, you'll save time and reduce errors across your pipeline. Start by heading to the top right of your Pipedrive screen and clicking your profile. This is the small icon with your avatar or initials. From the menu that opens, select Tools and Apps. Think of this area as your control center for optional features and add-ons inside Pipedrive. On the left-hand side, look for Products and click it. This section manages your catalog settings. At the top left, you'll see a switch to enable products. Turn that switch on. This activates the Product Catalog module across your account, making it available when you work with deals and quotes. Before you save, take a moment to set your default tax preference. You can choose tax inclusive, tax exclusive, or no tax. If your listed prices already include tax, choose tax inclusive. If you want tax calculated and added on top of the base price, choose tax exclusive. If you don't charge tax, select no tax. Pick the option that matches how you price and invoice in your region. Setting this default now helps keep your pricing consistent later, especially when multiple team members are adding or using products. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. That confirms your changes and turns on the catalog for your workspace. With products enabled, look to the left sidebar and click the 3 dots icon. From there, select Products to open your catalog. You'll see a dedicated area where you can start adding your products. As you build your list, clear names, standard pricing, and accurate tax choices will make it much faster to add items to deals and generate consistent proposals. This also helps with forecasting and reporting because your deal values will be based on structured, reusable entries instead of manual inputs each time. If you're working with a team, let them know the catalog is now active so everyone uses the same items and prices. That way, quotes stay uniform and you avoid mismatched line items across deals. And remember, the default tax setting you chose will guide how new entries behave, which helps maintain alignment with your accounting process. That's all there is to it. You've enabled the product catalog, set your default tax preference, save the changes, and access the products area so you can start adding items and linking them to your deals.